Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. So today I will show you how to assess the health of mangrove. Right. In my last three videos on mangrove, basically what we did is how to map mangrove area, how to calculate area, and how to observe the change detection. Or you can say that we have compared mangrove areas in different years. So today, basically, I already told you that this is very important topic for blue economy, right? So that's why I'm doing this. So basically, we will come to that part also. So first, we need to understand what is mangrove, what are mangrove, how to detect it through technologies and a lot of things, right? So here I am talking about monitoring mangrove health using NDVI and NDMI. In earlier we have seen NDVI, NDWI. So this is NDMI, one of the index. So to assess the health and moisture condition of mangrove using NDVI and NDMI from Sentinel 2 data on Google Earth engine. So this is the main objective. So concept we already know that, and NDVI for Sentinel, B band 8 and band 4 we have taken. Basically the we have seen here. So what we call it in the previously I showed you that about NDVI somewhere I have mentioned about it in my one of my videos. I done this, right? So maybe it's not here, right? But anyway, uh, so uh, so what we did is that we B4 is the green band and 8 is the NIR band, right? Or in the case of NDVI. So for NDMI we take the V8 and B11. B8 is the NIR and B11 is the SIR. So indicates vegetation water content. So high NDMI means vegetation has good moisture, and DMI means vegetation is dry or stressed. So based on that, we can identify healthy, moderately stressed or degraded mangrove zones, right? So why this is important? Reduce mangrove depend on tidal water and soil salinity balance. So a decrease in NDMI over time may indicate reduced soil moisture, increased salinity, or degradation due to anthropogenic stress, right? Pollution, reclamation. So basically, it is helpful for to monitor the health, resilience, and water stress of mangrove ecosystems. So, basically, this is the NDVI formula I have in my one of my videos I have shown. So I will put that link in the description box. So basically what we would do for NDPI, NIR minus red and NIR plus red. So divided by NIR plus red. So this is, so in the case of Sentinel, B4 is green and B8 is NIR. So why mangrove health is important? So mangrove health means we have three classes. The third is healthy green. We can change the color also to moderate yellow. One is stressed. So what? So calculation is NDVI is greater or equal than 0.6 and NDMI is greater or equal than 0.3. This is the condition, right? So dense. Uh, what is the meaning of that? Dense, vigorous mangrove with high chlorophyll and sufficient water indicate good tidal exchange and minimal stress. So similarly, like this. So let's start here. So first we will create our EOI. How to create EOI is that you just create a rectangle here, right, or whatever you want to, like this. This is our AOI. So I will say that this is AOI, right? So for rest, I have already created the first. We will load the Sentinel image, right? So we will load here. This one is my uh, we have. So you can see, this is slightly different from my earlier codes. Earlier, you can check with my earlier codes on at mangrove mapping or change detection. So here what we are doing is we are just defining year in the beginning. This is one of the variable. Otherwise what we used to do that we directly put dates here, right? If you see here in my previous thing, Yeah, you can see here. So we used to put date here. You can do that also, and you can put like this. So now we will compute the NDVI and NDWI. So I will just NDMI. So I will just copy paste here, Control B and run. So it will give you the NDVI and NDMI. So this is the thing, and then mangrove mask. Then we will mask the for the different this one, right? Yeah. So what I will do is I will just so you can see we have NDMI and NDVI, right? And if you can remove this also, so you can see this is NDVI and this is NDMI. So now what I am going mangrove mass from NDVI plus NDWI or threshold. We are just putting the so what we are doing is we are creating a variable called mangrove mass. So how NDVI dot GT greater than 0.45, right? So similarly, so it will create the mask for the same, right? So then what we will do is we'll fix cliff and health map to AOI. So this is you just write this one. You can yeah. So what we have done is that based on the the presentation I showed you, so we are just using here. So NDVI is 0.6 and NDMI is greater equal than 0.3 like this. So if you run this, then we will get different line. So now how to visualize it? So this is the important thing. So now visualize the health layer, right? So you can see here, Control V. Now run the whole thing. So what we did, we load the sentinel. First we define our area of interest, then we load the sentinel image, then we have basically all the bands which is required, b4, b8 or b11. So based on that we have computed NDVI and NDMI. We have visualized those, and then we put the conditions that how to do the means if NDVI is greater or equal than this condition we have put. So for healthy condition, this is our code. For moderate, this one, and for stress, for this one. So basically, it's happening. You can check. So basically, we have defined three: red, yellow, and green. You can change the color also. So if you see here, so right now I should remove these NDVI and ND. So now you can see. So we have this yellow color. So it means it will show you the what is the health of that. So if you see, mm, yeah, yeah. So if you click and this yellow part, then you click, then you can see NDVI. You can 0 point this one, NDMI this one, and this mangrove health is called is two. Two means this one. Two means moderate, right? So similarly what we can do is accordingly uh, you can mask the things basically. So this yellow part is the our healthy mangrove. This red one is actually basically we can remove this one. So what you can do is you can export this mangrove health image into a TIFF format, and then you can use this in your QGIS to show the health of basically this is just to how to this is the visualization by using QGIS. You can try by yourself, right? I have given a lot of video on that. If not, then I will create video of that also, how to export it. This is your exercise. Thank you.